Hello, word. Listeners, welcome back. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me for another linguistic adventure. Today, we're diving deep into a word that's essential for navigating the world safely and wisely. Our word of the day is caution. Caution is a C1 level noun, meaning warning or care. In essence, caution represents the prudence and vigilance we exercise to avoid potential dangers or negative outcomes. It's about being mindful and thinking ahead before acting. Now, let's break down how we use caution in everyday language. Think about road signs, for example. They often use the word caution to alert drivers to potential hazards like sharp turns, construction zones, or pedestrian crossings. It's a call to pay extra attention and proceed with care. You might also hear someone say exercise caution when dealing with sensitive information or delicate matters. This means handling the situation with care and avoiding any actions that could cause harm or offense. Now, let's explore some synonyms for caution. One synonym is prudence. Prudence implies wisdom and good judgment in handling practical matters. For example, investing your savings with prudence is crucial for long-term financial security. Another synonym is wariness. Wariness suggests a state of being cautious and alert, especially towards potential dangers or threats. She approached the stray dog with wariness. Another useful synonym is circumspection. Circumspection emphasizes looking around carefully before taking action. He proceeded with circumspection when negotiating the business deal. And a fourth synonym is vigilance. Vigilance means being watchful and alert to potential dangers or problems. Security guards maintain constant vigilance to ensure the safety of the building. Now, let's flip the coin and look at some antonyms of caution. One antonym is carelessness. Carelessness implies a lack of attention or concern, often leading to mistakes or accidents. His carelessness resulted in him breaking the vase. Another antonym is recklessness. Recklessness suggests a disregard for danger or consequences. The driver's recklessness caused a serious accident. A third antonym is heedlessness. Heedlessness implies a failure to pay attention to advice or warnings. Her heedlessness of the weather forecast led to her getting caught in the rain. Another contrasting term is indiscretion. Indiscretion suggests a lack of good judgment or tact. His indiscretion at the party caused embarrassment for everyone involved. So, how can you use caution in your daily conversations? Well, you could say, I would advise you to proceed with caution when dealing with that client. They can be quite demanding. Or, she treated the antique vase with extreme caution, knowing its value. You might also hear the expression throwing caution to the wind, which means acting without any regard for the potential consequences. For example, they threw caution to the wind and eloped to Las Vegas. Here are a few more usage examples. The sign read, "Caution, wet floor." Caution, handle with care. Use caution when crossing the street. It is better to err on the side of caution. He urged caution in interpreting the research findings. A degree of caution is advisable when investing in the stock market. We have covered a lot today. Remember, caution is a crucial word that signifies warning or care. We explored its definition, usage, synonyms like prudence, wariness, circumspection, and vigilance, and antonyms like carelessness, recklessness, heedlessness, and indiscretion. We also looked at ways to use caution in everyday language and common expressions. I hope this episode has helped you better understand the meaning and usage of caution. Thank you for tuning in to Hello Word. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover our show and expand their vocabulary too. And now I have a little task for you. Think of one situation in your life where you need to practice caution more often. Then write a sentence about it using the word caution and share it in the comments section below. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time, keep exploring the wonderful world of words.